Best Robot Vacuum, Top 10 Robot Vacuum for 2022, which robot vacuum you want? All of these items are listed by best-selling and customer reviews. 1. Shark Ion Robot Vacuum AV753, Wi-Fi connected, 120 minutes runtime, works with Alexa, multi-surface cleaning, gray. 2. iRobot Roomba 692 Robot Vacuum Wi-Fi connectivity, personalized cleaning recommendations, works with Alexa, good for pet hair, carpets, hard floors, self-charging, charcoal gray. 3. Shark KV2501A AI Robot Vacuum with XL HEPA Self-Empty Base, Bagless, 60-day capacity, LiDAR navigation, perfect for pet hair, compatible with Alexa, Wi-Fi connected, carpet, and hard floor, black. 4. Trifo Robot Vacuum with 4000 pascals suction, visual slam navigation, multi-level mapping, Wi-Fi compatible with Alexa, robotic vacuum good for pet hair, carpet and hard floors, pet version. 5. iRobot Roomba i3 Plus Evo, 3550, self-emptying robot vacuum, now clean by room with smart mapping, empties itself for up to 60 days, works with Alexa, ideal for pet hair, carpets. 6. Renewed, Amazon Renewed Shark IQ app-controlled self-charging robot vacuum, RV100AUR1000SR, black. 7. Shark KV993 IQ Robot Vacuum, self-cleaning brush roll, advanced navigation, perfect for pet hair, compatible with Alexa, Wi-Fi, black. 8. Robot Vacuum and Mop with Auto Dirt Disposal, Max 3000 PA Suction, App Control, Editable Map, LiDAR Navigation Smart Mapping, works with Alexa, Blurizer L6 Pro Robot Vacuum Cleaner ideal for pet hair. 9. iHome AutoVac Nova Self-Empty Robot Vacuum and Mop, Laser Navigation, Power Mop, 2-hour runtime 2700 PA Suction Power, Alexa/Google and App Control. 10. Shark IQ Robot Vacuum AV1002A with XL Self-Empty Base, Self-Cleaning Brush Roll, Advanced Navigation, Wi-Fi, compatible with Alexa, 2nd generation.